Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up VAT on QuickBooks. First, open QuickBooks and go to the Settings menu. Locate the VAT section to begin the setup process. You will need to select your country and the correct VAT scheme that applies to your business. Finally, input your unique VAT registration number into the designated field. This ensures your account is properly linked for tax purposes. Once your basic VAT settings are configured, the next step is to add your specific VAT rates. You'll need to define both standard and any reduced rates that apply to your goods or services. Be sure to set the correct effective date for each rate. Then, assign default VAT codes to your sales and purchase transactions for streamlined accounting. Now that your rates are set, it's time to apply VAT to your daily transactions. When creating invoices or bills, always select the appropriate VAT code for each line item. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the VAT amount. Regularly review these calculations to ensure accuracy. Finally, use the built-in reporting tools to generate your VAT reports for easy filing. The final step is filing your VAT returns. Before submitting, reconcile your VAT account to ensure all figures are correct and match your records. Always submit your VAT return by the official deadline to avoid penalties. Remember, staying organized throughout the period makes this process much smoother. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.